Welcome to Corel Craft. On Corel Craft, I'll be teaching you some. Teaching you how to use Corel Draw, to show you some tips on how to use Corel Draw. But on today's video, I'm only going to show you how to use tools of Corel Draw. And before I start, I want to show you some indicators to know what I am doing. For example, when you see this red circle, it means I am left clicking. And when you see this blue circle, it means I am right clicking. And right here, you can see when I'm typing some letters, it shows right here. Also, when I'm pressing any button, it shows right here, as you can see. So now let's start. So this side is known as the toolbox in CorelDRAW. So I'm only going to show you basic tools of CorelDRAW. I'm not going to show you everything yet. I'm only going to show you the ones you need as a beginner in CorelDRAW. I'm going to take all of you as a beginner. Probably some of you might have an experience on CorelDRAW, but I'm only going to show you as a beginner. The first tool we have is the pick tool. Everybody should know how to use pick tool. Use it to select an object or move an object, and also use it to perform some other actions. Followed by the pick tool is the shape tool. The shape tool is used to edit how a shape look like, or how to crop a picture when in CorelDRAW. So, but before you can use shape tool on some objects or shapes, you have to convert them to curve. For example, this rectangle, if I try to use shape tool on it, it's only going to give me a curved corner to the rectangle. So instead, I will have to convert it to curve. By that, I must either press Ctrl Q, or I right click on it and then click on it here. So after I've done that, when I go back to the shape tool, I can now edit this shape to any shape I want. As you can see, I'm giving it a random shape. This shape does not actually make sense, but just to explain to you, as you can see here. And then followed by the shape tool. And these tools are not important yet. So I'm only going to show tools that are important. Actually, under the pick tool, we have some other tools, but we don't need them yet. Likewise, under the shape tool as well, there are some tools here that you don't need yet as a beginner in Corel. So I'm going to skip to the freehand tool. The freehand tool is used to draw lines in CorelDRAW, or to draw shapes. So now, if you want to draw a straight line on CorelDRAW, first you click on where you want the line to start from, and also click where you want the line to end. But when you want to draw a curved line, you drag it. You do not click. You drag it from where you want it to start from to where you want it to end. You can also edit the straight line to change it to a curved line to make it more accurate by using the shape tool as I've explained earlier. First, you right click on the line, press to curve, and then edit. You can edit this line to any direction you want it to go to, and also you can move the point as in where the line starts from or where the line ends. So followed by the freehand tool, we have the artistic media tool. As the name implies, use it to add like art features to a line or an object. So to this line over here, I'm going to add some artistic features to it. For example, when I click on this place, you can see how the lines change. They give it some like art shape. So I can reduce the thickness or increase the thickness. There are more artistic ways you can see the lines here. As I've given another one. This one has a pointed is pointed at both ends and thick at the middle. With this artistic media tool, I can also draw my own shape instead of me drawing from the line shape and then taking it here. As you can see, I'm just drawing some random lines here, as you can see. So that's how you use the artistic media tool. Next, we have the rectangle tool. The rectangle tool is used to draw rectangle just as the name implies, and you can use it to draw a rectangle. But if you want to draw a square, as in both sides are equal, the length and the breadth, you hold the control button before you draw. So by doing this, it gives you a regular shape. as in the length and the breadth is equal to each other. As you can see in the object size, that 427 millimeter by 127 millimeter. You can edit it if you are given a particular size to work on. For example, I'm giving it 200 by 200. Now, this rectangle, this shape right here, the square with both sides equal. Now, followed by the rectangle tool is the ellipse tool, which is used to draw circles or oval. Just as we have done in the rectangle tool, for you to draw a circle, as in both sides are equal, you have to hold the control button, same as you did for the square. So by the time you check the object sheet, you can see it has 142.522 millimeters and 142.522 millimeters. So you can also edit it just as I have done with the square. I can give it 150 by 150. By the time I click enter, now this shape is 150 millimeter by 150 millimeter. Note that you can edit the unit of measurement you want to work in. Now at idle screen, as you can see a unit, it is written as millimeter. You can choose whatever unit you want. You have meters, centimeter, millimeter, inches, point, any unit you want to see, feet, yards, now. But I like to work with centimeters. So now the unit has changed to centimeters. Now when I draw a square, you can see it's giving me 14 centimeters, 14.958 centimeters by 14.958 centimeters. So let's continue with what we're doing. And followed by under the ellipse tool, we have the polygon tool. Now, the polygon tool is for you to draw polygons, just like the name I've said it, or the name I've said it for, to draw polygons. Now, you can edit the number of sides you want these polygons to be. You can edit the number of sides you want these polygons to be. As it is showing here, it has written as 5. You can increase to 6, 7, 8, and so on. So just as you have done to the rectangle and the square, you can also do to the polygon. That is, if you want the polygon to be a regular polygon, and what do I mean by regular polygon? Which all the angles are equal or all the lines are equal. So you also have to hold the control button and then draw the shape. Now this pentagon here has all these angles equal, has all these angles equal. Same as when you increase the number of sides, all these lines are equal, so as the angles too. So followed by the polygon tool, you have the text tool. The text tool is for you to type. The text tool is for you to type. Now, after you are done typing or before you are done typing, you can edit the font type on the font size you want, and that is done here on the property bar. On the property bar, when you click on the text, the property bar automatically changes to properties of the text. So here you can bold it, italics, underline, or change the font type. So here I'm choosing this, and I can change this to 100, 200, 150. As you can see, like this here. So I can also change the font type, as you can see right here. So at idle screen, as when I'm not clicking on anything, you see what the property bar has changed to. So whenever I'm clicking on an object or on a shape, the property bar automatically changes to the properties of that object. For example, when I click on this rectangle, you see what has changed to. So at this point, um I can give it curved corner. When I zoom in, you see the corners it's curved. So by the time I continue increasing this, you see it becomes more curved.